In this video, I'll show you how to fix OBS black screen problem step by step. 1. Check source visibility. First, open OBS and look at your sources panel. If the eye icon next to your source is crossed out, click it to make the source visible. 2. Fully close OBS. Close OBS, then check the hidden icons in your taskbar to be sure it's not still running. 3. Adjust graphics settings. Open the Start menu, search for Graphics Settings, and open it. Under Add an App or Graphics Performance Preference on Windows 10, choose Desktop App or Classic App. Click Browse, go to C:\program files /OBS Studio /bin /64-bit. Select OBS 64.exe, then click Add. Click Options under OBS Studio. Test power saving first. If that doesn't work, try High Performance. Click Save, then reopen OBS to test. 4. Reset to Windows Default, if needed. If the black screen remains, close OBS. Return to Graphics Settings, set OBS back to let Windows decide, and save. 5. Run as administrator. Search for OBS Studio in the Start menu. Right-click Open File Location. Right-click the shortcut Open File Location again. Right-click OBS 64.exe Properties Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. Launch OBS and test again. If it doesn't help, you can uncheck the box later. 6. Game Capture Tips. Make sure your game is open before trying game capture. Try full screen borderless or full screen windowed mode. Some games don't display in standard full screen until they're active. 7. Transform and fit to screen. In the Sources dock, right-click the source Transform Fit to Screen. 8. Try a different capture method. Click plus in Sources Choose. Display Capture, select the monitor. Game Capture, select the application. Window Capture, requires the game or app to run in windowed mode. Display Capture works even in full screen. 9. Turn off HDR. Open the Start menu, search Display Settings, and open it. Select the monitor you're using. Scroll down and turn Use HDR off. 10. Update OBS. In OBS, open the Help menu, check for updates. Install any updates available. That's it. After these steps, your OBS black screen issue should be fixed. If this guide helped you, like the video and check out my other OBS tips.